Well, hello lovies. It's Wednesday. I'm just watching some YouTube. So I'm just here. Yeah, just waiting for Pete to come home. Yeah. Still going with the football. Oi, oi, oi. Yeah. I kind of want it to end, but kind of don't, because you know I want my team to go through. Well, I wouldn't say my team, as I support Holland, but they're not in it anymore, so yeah. And, so it's on YouTube with the dog's asleep in his basket, and he's been playing with his ball today. He was so sweet. He had like a ball on the floor, and he was just patting it with his foot on the balcony with his burger and on the neighbours. And I started to use boxes outside for the gap underneath the glass, so they like can't dig and bite each other. So now there's like a gap of about that big where they can just get their noses around and sniff and wag and lick. It's just so cute. This is a Noah and obviously Bear next door, which you've seen before. Yeah. I hope the weather perks up soon. As I'm inside, well, I can wear what I like. It does not really cold, but yeah. So but obviously when I go outside, I either wear a jacket or a bigger jacket. Yeah. I've been rather hungry lately. I don't know why. I just seem to be wanting to snack a little bit more. But yeah, shouldn't be too much. Oh dear. Ooh, excuse me for that. I also seem to be yawning a bit more through the daytime as well. And I go to bed in normal time, about 11ish, like I've always used to. And wake up as I've always used to, and I've usually been fine, but the last week or so I've just been like, zombification. Yeah. That's how I go. Go to bed, wake up early, and yeah, stay awake all day. Oh, flip. Oh, I'm so sorry. This isn't. I wanted a vlog and I just yawn. It's like a yawning vlog. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna have a drink and a munch. See what the rest of the day brings. Yeah. Play with the train later. Yeah. So I shall wish you an early good night, and even though it's afternoon, but you get the picture. Wish you a good afternoon and a good night, and see you tomorrow. Old MacNowhere had the farm, E-O-E-O, with a here and a there, here a beep, there a beep, everywhere a beep, beep. Oh dear Lord Noah, you look like you're saying go away. But yeah, vlogs are slightly different, so bear with us and have fun. Keep watching, subscribe and like, and come back soon.